Hi there, welcome. If you're new, I'm so glad you're here. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Today we're reading Splish Splash Baby. I kind of have this covered here because this tells where my library is, and I have to protect myself from the internet. So I can show you what is called on the spine of the book, which is called Splish Splash Baby. It is by Karen Katz. It's bath time. Who's in the tub? It's Baby. Splish Splash. What's behind the bath bottles? 3 yellow ducks. Quack, quack. What's inside the bucket? Is it Baby's soap? I wonder. No, that's a little tugboat. Toot, toot. What's behind the bubbles? It's Baby's bath sponge. Squish, squash. And this looks like it's a frog sponge. What's under those teeny tiny toes? Are you ticklish on your toes? Look, it's a big blue whale. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Now bath time is over. It's time to dry off. Who's behind the towel? It's Mommy. Rub-a-dub-dub, baby. The end, playground readers. Thank you for watching. I'm so glad you came to read the baby book with me. Yes, this is a baby book. If you like this book, make sure to give me a like and make sure to leave a thumbs up. And also, subscribe to the channel for more fun books. We love to read. Until next time, guys. See you later. Bye.